All right, May 27th here, next part here. I forget if it's part 20 or 21. Budgies are excited. Thank you. Love your feedback. Okay, I did a bunch more drawing here. New allegorical sea monsters. I'll point out here, 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 and I worked on the Augen auf, eyes open, 2 eyes. Another allegorical sea monster over here. I just did that one last. Added a touch of white on the little wing here, on top of the black ink. And I added some little bit more color and lines around some of the words, like around anti-Semite, blah, Mark Zuckerberg, Holocaust apologist, and so on. A touch of yellow on the feet of these like gator-like allegorical sea monsters around the words. All right. Wow. Next, framing, cutting flex, settling it. Let's go say hi to the boys. You guys want to take a look at this up close? Okay, let's see what you think. Okay, here it is. They might be scared. Okay, don't worry, guys. Don't worry. Guys, gals. Beautiful singing. Beautiful, beautiful. Say hi. I lost my whistle. There's Dr. Xi, Prime Minister Mazel. Okay, there you have it for now. Listen to King Classic Radio 98.1 in Seattle.